Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. Once again, I'm here with a useful video where I will guide you how to stake Vechain cryptocurrency on your Binance account using your mobile phone. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. Therefore, never hesitate to like our video, type your idea in a comment section and share this video with all your friends. As I told you, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can stake Vechain cryptocurrency, Vechain coin on your Binance account using your mobile phone. Although you can do it on a Binance web browser, but most of the time people are just using their mobile phone, mobile devices. So that's why in this video I will show you the staking of Vechain coin on your mobile phone. What we can cover in this video? In this video I will show you first of all how you can stake Vechain coin on your Binance to get passive income, to get daily interest. Then I will give you somehow updates of Vechain. What do you think about Vechain coin, the price prediction, updates, everything about Vechain you will learn in this video. So without wasting your time, let's jump directly to our mobile phone. So I'm on my mobile phone. I'm using Android mobile device. First of all, you need to open a Binance mobile application, then sign into your Binance account. Once the sign in is completed, so this is the home page of Binance mobile application. In here you can see the current price of Bitcoins is just 68,211, and the BNB price, the Binance coin price, is 652, and then the Ethereum price is 4,835. This is what I told you. November and December is the month of bullish. What I'm seeing, the price of Bitcoins till the end of this year, Bitcoins will cross 98,000. So make sure to buy the best cryptocurrency, add it on your portfolio in order to get a good profit. So staking Vechain coin on your Binance account, simply on home page, in here you will see savings option. Simply click on saving options. Now in saving options we have two staking category: flexible, locked. Now at first one, flexible and locked, there are a few differences. Some of them if you unstake your coin, so you will not get it immediately. You will get it after 24 hours, after 48 hours. So some of this category, when you unstake your coin, on the time you will get your coin back to your wallet. And some of this category, the percentage of profits are different. So here you can see you can stake Bitcoins, Cake, USDT, BUSD, USDC, 1 inch. So in here, what you need to search about Vechain coin. Simply type here VIT. So here you can see Vechain is available on flexible staking category. You will get the percentage of 2.26%, and in a profit you will get Veto cryptocurrency. Veto is in a Vechain cryptocurrency. So instead of VIT as a profit, you will get Veto cryptocurrency. Simply click on subscribe. In this page, first of all, you need to type the amount of Vechain coin that you want to stake. I have already staked my 7,300 Vechain coin on here. So simply you can type about, if you have simply type about 5,000 or 10,000, or simply click on maximum. Once you click on maximum, then in here scroll down, you can see amount limit. Minimum is 0.01 VIT, and then subscription date 10 November 2021, value date from tomorrow. Once you stake your coin, after 24 hours your profit or your rewards will be started. Then interest duration date is about 12 November 2021, and then we have estimated As per year, we have 0.83%. Airdrops yesterday, as per year, 2.26%. Then click on I agree. Okay, after this you need to click on confirm. Okay, in here you can see subscribe. It means date of subscriptions 10 November 2021, start to accrue interest 11 November 2021, interest distributed date. It means after 24 hour your interest will be started, and after 48 hour you will get your interest. So now if we go to savings, then if I go to, let me show you from where you can find it. Simply go to wallet, then in here you can see overall, go to earn. Now in here you can see wait, this is in here, you can check. This is the Vechain that I have staked. As I told you, we have two saving category. Now click on locked. From here search about the coin like Bitcoin. So in here wheat is not available. It means you can use flexible in order to stake your Bitcoin. I hope you understand the staking of Vechain coin on Binance account. This was the step-by-step guide of staking Vechain on your Binance account using your mobile phone. So I hope you understand everything, step-by-step guide. Now as I told you, I will guide you a few updates, a few a price prediction of Vechain. So if we go to on Vechain chart, let me show you here. We are on tradingview.com. So Vechain is still in bullish side. From 1 October till now, we just gained about 122% profit. This is too much profit, but soon we will hit all-time high and we will make a new all-time high. What I can see, the price of Vechain till the end of this year about near to 18 cent. If as you know, humans are full of mistakes. As I'm not your financial advisor, but what I'm seeing here, we will touch 18 cent till the end of this year if we cannot see a bad news, because cryptocurrency market is we don't know everything. Suddenly something can happen, suddenly there will be a bad news, the market can crash. So we cannot see the price of Vechain at 18 cent. If we cannot see any bad news, so I am sure the price of Vechain can hit 18 cent in this year. Then if we go to this website, this article is just saying that Vechain price is 45 cent, and then 25 level you can see if I come here, Vechain price has gained as much as 41% since the beginning of November. In 10 days we just gained about 41% profit. A near-term pullback is expected as Vechain hits the 100% Fibonacci expansion level. Support is likely to be found near 15 cent, 16 cent. So 15 and 16 cent is the support level of Vechain. Here you can see in here, this is the resistance. So the next level will be the support level in here. 5918 will be the support level, and then you can see yes, 15 and 16 cent is the support level of Vechain, and then you can buy it from that point. If we come to its Twitter, so this is the official Twitter of Vechain, and then scroll down, you can see recognition of Vechain's powerful blockchain continues to grow. At Food and Hospitality of China 2021, Vechain become one of the best honored as a best innovation in food supply China for 2021. Sorry, not China, chain. Supply chain for 2021. Then you can see another bullish news. Bitcoins.us, it means Bitcoins United States has added Doge, Solana and Vechain as USD trading options on OTC. Trade OTC now at otc.binance.us. Another bullish sign is congrats Vexchange.io on the successful launch of Vexchange 2.0 version and its governance token Vex. So there are lots of bullish sign of Vechain. If I start now, so the video will be lengthy, so I don't want the video should be lengthy. So I hope I hope you understand everything. I hope you get about staking Vechain, how you can stake Vechain on Binance and on your mobile phone device. In next video I will show you how you can unstake any cryptocurrency on Binance using your mobile phone. So like this without not only Vechain coin. Following this video you can stake any cryptocurrency, whether it can be XRP, Dogecoin, Solana, LTC, Cardano, Bitcoin, any coin, BNB coin, everyone. So I hope you understand this video. This video is just end up here. If you have any problem or question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'm always available to give your answer. And then if you like this video, if you understand from A to Z, so make sure I need your like. Just hit the like button and make a new all-time high. Just click the like button and share your idea about this video in the comment section. And if you still did not subscribe to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.